Good evening, everybody. My name is Tommy Ayala. I am 21 years old, and this is just an introductory to show you all who I am. Um, First things first. I graduated from Robert M. Shoemaker and achieved my high school diploma in May 2019. I went on to continue my education at Central Texas A&M, where I actually gained my associates in science and business administration. Um, I ended that semester with a 2.0 GPA. I am currently working on my bachelor's degree in business administration with a major in marketing at Texas A&M Central Texas. My work experience, well, at my first job, I was a sales associate for Finish Line, a kind of sneaker shoe retail company where I would greet customers, assist them with their purchases, and as well as maintain apparel, maintain accessories, and maintain our stock room. Uh, I will later leave Finish Line in around October 2021 so that I may pursue another job as a retail sales associate, but this time in a more major retailer called Dillard's. I currently work there right now since October 2021, and I work there mainly selling fragrances such as men's cologne, women's perfume. Um, from my time in retail, I learned a lot of interpersonal skills, a lot of communication skills. I uh, pride myself in my kind of supply and demand kind of pitches to my clients. I always try to give my best and try to give my customers only the best customer service that I could give them. Um, so so to all who are listening and watching this recording, thank you all and have a nice day.